Hello, my name is Louise. I'm an adult and teen services librarian at Morley Library. I would like to introduce you to the Black History Collection, which is one of the genealogy and history research databases you can log into on our website. If you are new to genealogy and just starting your family tree, this is not the place for you to start. The Black History Collection does not include many vital records, such as birth, marriage, and death certificates. Vital records are needed from the start to form solid connections between the generations in your family tree. To find vital records, start with Ancestry Library Edition, Heritage Quest Online, and Family Search. Each of these databases can be found on our website. Most of what you'll find in the Black History Collection are records, photos, and government documents relevant to 5 eras in American history, which are slavery, the Civil War, Reconstruction and Jim Crow laws, World War I and II, and the Civil Rights Movement. This is where you want to be if you're interested in providing the historical context for your family history. The following video shows you how to log into the Black History Collection and provides a brief introduction to what kind of records can be found there. Here's how to find the Black History Collection. Go to morleylibrary.org and on our homepage, go to Find Information, move down and select Research Databases. Select F. Scroll down the page to Fold 3. Use this resource. Enter your library card number and tap Submit. If it prompts you for your library, select it and submit. This will take you to Fold 3's homepage. And although Fold 3 is the premier website for military records, it does include a number of document collections, such as the Black History Collection, that also includes some non-military records. To find the Black History Collection, we scroll down the page and select the African American Collection. We're going to scroll down the page again to this continue reading link that's below the description of this database. We're going to click that. And it expanded the description. We're going to scroll down to the final paragraph. And in the first sentence, click on Black History. This takes us to the main page of the Black History Collection. This is a collection of rare records, documents, and photos that chronicle the integral role of African Americans in the development and achievements of the United States. It's organized into 5 eras: slavery, Civil War, Reconstruction and Jim Crow laws, World Wars, and the Civil Rights Movement. From the main page of the Black History Collection, you can choose to search the entire collection by typing a name, place, or date into the search box. You can choose to browse all the records in the collection, or you can choose to search just a single era, one at a time. The records and documents in the collection are all organized in the same fashion. Near the top of the page, you'll see the name of the era and a brief description. Just below that on the left side, you'll see the collection of titles. You can click on the link to any title and go directly to that, to the records under that title. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see featured pages on the left side of the screen, and sometimes there'll be notes about a specific area of that collection. If you'd like to search the collection, you can enter a name, a place, or a keyword into the search box. You can choose to take a look at some of the sample records in the collection. And we'll go back to World Wars. And their photograph collection for World War II is a rare collection of photographs, and this is the first time that they're being seen on the internet, is in the Black History Collection database. When you open up a record or a photograph in Black History Collection, it opens in this browser that shows you the record or image on the right side of the screen and has a number of tools and things that you can use, some of which are being able to print the record, download it and save it, or share it. On the left side of the screen, in this case, there's information about the image, who's in it, what's in it, and where was this image taken, and the source that the image has come from. Another thing you can do is you can put your cursor on people in a photograph, and if their information is known, then you can click on that person and it'll show you just a little bit more about them. In this instance, this is Captain Edwin B. Lawrence Jr. He was from Cleveland, Ohio. He was a commander of the 99th Fighter Squadron, and they were in Italy. We'll go back to the main page, and this wraps up our tour of the Black History Collection. Here's how to find the Black History Collection. Go to morleylibrary.org, and on our homepage, go. Thank you for watching this presentation. For more information about genealogy and local history resources available at Morley Library, visit the Genealogy and Local History page on our website, call the Adult and Teen Services staff, or stop by and visit our local history and genealogy room.